Hi, I'm Dr. Armelli with Armelli Chiropractic. And a quick question that I got from a patient, I'm just in between patients right now, was what is the popping sound when you do your adjustments? And the popping sound that you hear is gas that releases out of the joint. So our joints are porous in our body and they fill up with gas and we do the adjustment, and then all of a sudden you hear this release, this sound. Now, is that sound necessary to get the job done? It's not. But I just wanted to clarify on that. So if you have any questions, you can give me a call. Thanks. Dr. Armelli with Armelli Chiropractic.